Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is another question. Analyze using a demand and supply diagram how government subsidies help firms grow. So what subsidies is going to do is that when we were studying the factors that shift the supply curve, we studied that cost of factors of production is going to the changes in the cost of factors of production is going to shift the supply curve either outwards or inwards. And I told you guys that if the cost of production goes down, the supply will shift towards the right because it is now cheaper to produce a product and supply it. Similarly, if the cost of production goes up, then the supply curve will shift towards the left because now it is expensive to produce and supply that product. So subsidy is basically going to shift the supply curve towards the right. So we'll make a new supply curve here. This supply curve will be called S1. This will be the new equilibrium, and this price will be called P1, and this quantity will be called Q1, and therefore the price is going to fall from P to P1 and the supply is going to increase. The quantity traded is going to increase from Q to Q1. What is happening here is that subsidy, you guys should know what a subsidy is. Subsidy is a grant given by the government that aims to reduce the cost of production of producers and therefore also reduce the price for consumers. So you guys will write here, subsidy is a grant given by the government. Subsidy is a grant given to producers by the government which aims to reduce the cost of production for producers, also reduce the price for consumers, So what the producers will get a cost advantage if they get a subsidy from the government. So if the cost of production goes down, what will happen is that the producers will pass down that lower cost of production or that saving to the consumer also in the form of lower prices. So the price is going to go down because the supply curve is shifting towards the right. Supply is increasing, the price is decreasing. So the price will go down. You write here the price here. The price will go, we should write here, a subsidy will shift the supply curve towards the right. A subsidy will shift the supply curve towards the right, and the price will go down. The price will go down and the quantity traded will increase. So because the price is going down, quantity demanded will extend. So I'll write here quantity traded will increase. There's an extension in the demand curve and there's a shift in the supply curve. Quantity traded will increase. So what you guys need to know for demand and supply diagrams is that you guys need to know the factors that shift the demand curve and factors that shift the supply curve really well. So what they do is they normally give you a factor in the question and then they expect you to basically decide which curve to shift. So if it is a factor from one of those factors which shift the supply curve, you guys need to shift the supply curve. If it is a factor that one of those factors that shifts the demand curve, so you guys need to shift the demand curve. So it's as simple as that. So it's very simple if you guys know the factors that shift the demand curve and factors that shift the supply curve. So thank you so much for watching.